alive, you know? Right, okay, so I'll explain this a little bit. You are in a different, you've literally moved from there to there, in which you would normally be in my cooking. Show is a bit of a questionable way to explain it, but you know what I mean. But reason being, I've lost my tripod. I've got no idea where it is. The last time I had it was around one of my cooking videos, and since then, the thing has been moved and it has not been found. Also, since the last video that I did cooking, my hair has gotten a lot longer. It's different colours. It was a lot brighter, but that was many moons ago. That's it really. Other than that, I've been stuck at home in quarantine, which has been fun. We've now just gone back to college, which is fine. Just very anxiety provoking, if that makes any sense. What else have I done? Oh yeah, I've been streaming on Twitch this week, which I have absolutely loved. I'm trying to be able to stream my games, which is a anxiety and aggression provoking thing. I've gotten very angry over the past couple of days trying to get this thing to work. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up. I'm never gonna give you up. No. But I thought I'd take a break. I was going to stream this and then I was like, no, I want to do a YouTube video because I prefer them and I can edit them and it will make more sense. And also, I'm in a rush because tomorrow is Mother's Day and on Wednesday I got all my mother's presents, and today I was like, can you go for a walk? And she was like, why? And I was there like, just leave the house, mother, exit the house, thank you very much. That's why I'm stood here, because we're going to whip up the quickest cake I've ever whipped up in my life. I was going to make scones, cannot be bothered to read the instructions. Like, no thank you very much. So instead, I'm going to try and make cakes or cookies or whatever I end up producing. So this is going to be an interesting one. I've got no idea what I'm making, but we'll make something. Oh, this hasn't been washed properly. If I just scrape it off, it'll be fine. I don't think she likes chocolate cake, but we'll make a chocolate cake. God, it's been that long since I've baked. I don't know what goes in cake. What goes in cake? Sugar. Why? Why, son? Why? Just... So normally, at college, we would be doing like a week on and a week off. But seeing as I do performing arts, drama and music, not limiting my options in life at all, I'm in next week as well with the first years, which is fine, but it just means that I don't have as many friends and I'm also going to be really bored a lot of the time. So we'll do 4 tablespoons, which is a quarter cup. Hold on, was that 3? I've had really bad memory recently as well. And oh, life is just, it's not been fun, do you know what I mean? There's nothing to do. A lot of me wishes I'd done more of this during quarantina. I didn't, but I wish I had done. Cross the spatula. That's gonna get old. Yeah, I've just been getting annoyed at myself, to be honest. Because like, I say that I'm going to do things, and I know that I do it, and every inch of my being wants to do it. There's many things that I want to do, and I still want to do them, but I have zero effort, you know? And I know that once I've got it done, or like once I actually put effort into it, I will feel a lot better about it, and I will feel accomplished, and I will feel like I'm on top of the world. But for the time being, I'm just like, I want to do this, but I can't be bothered. I'll do 2 tablespoons of butter, margarine, whatever you want to call it. I just feel really lost in my life at the moment. And I understand like that's the same for a lot of people, but like I've like applied to loads of universities, 2 have gotten back to me for second round auditions. One of them, since the paying for the second round, hasn't got back to me, so thanks for that. And the other one just kind of just left me on red, so thanks to you too. So I'm not freaking out at all, because the thing is I need something to do. And like, I was trying to think of all the places I love in the UK. Like, I love Blackpool, I love Nottingham, And I was like, if I move and I get a job, because I've been trying to save up money for the past couple of years, because I kind of knew this was something that could occur. But you know when you try and not think about it, I've got a weird feeling this isn't right. Let's add some liquid. And a tablespoon of oil and 3 tablespoons of oat milk, I think this is. Oh no, oh no. That was too much liquids. Apparently it's half a cup of flour now. I'm like begging my mum to not come home right now. Like, please just don't walk through that door. Oh, this is plain flour. There's nothing going to raise it. Oh well. Apparently we're making like a cookie dough now. That's fine, we'll just make cookies. I wanna be the girl that you wanna sleep on going. Got that going round in my head! It's when I've got chocolate all around my mouth. We have to wear masks at college now. It's like, as much as it's great for the fact that I don't have to put makeup on anymore, it's not like I did anyway, but it's the fact that like I can't hear people to start off with. I also get really claustrophobic after a while. I'm like, I just don't know when to take it off to eat and drink. Like, that makes me nervous. I'm there like, I don't feel like I should be taking this mask off, even though I'm having a drink and I started bringing straws in so I could like slurp it underneath my mask. I was like, this isn't fun. Which kind of sums up my college experience. I forgot to take it out of the oven. Long story short, I'm an idiot. It's been a stressful day. I say that, I've done nothing! I did break my nail though. Oh, that's hot. Why didn't I take it out of the oven? Oh, that smells bad. This method is working very well. I think I added 2 more tablespoons of sugar, by the way. This is gonna turn out absolutely awful. But I tried. Now we hope for the best. I'm gonna pop them in for about 10 minutes. See you in 10. Hi, so it was in the oven for about 10 minutes. My creation has come out. They're like little mini soft cookies. They'll do. You know, I've got some other bits and pieces for Mother's Day, so they will have to do. I mean, they taste all right. They're edible. So yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I know it's been a bit of a short video, not been much to it, but I hope you've enjoyed. And I will see you when I next see you. Follow me on everything if you want to. I'll probably pop it in the description. You don't have to, I'm not going to make you. And goodbye. Thank you.